So the way the web server, the front end and the back end works the true way. One is when the web application website sending a request, it is actually hitting the specific server is called the web server. In this case, Nginx. So Nginx has all the API endpoint. Nginx send the same request to the backend, and backend actually run the logic and tells two things. Backend does two things based on the user request. One is telling the Nginx web server, okay, request is correct, and Nginx telling to the front end that yes, you are granted to access the system. At the same time, backend also run the logic while this guy is actually uploading a document, so I am actually making some other decision. In the backend, there are two more things going on now. Oh, he's sending some data. Hey, this is Robin from Michigan. Good. Okay, I'm actually storing all this into the database. Oh, no. Robin is sending me data and the picture. Now the backend is telling, wait a minute, I have to do the two things now. I have to store this is Robin from Michigan in the database, and the picture I have to send to the spatial storage. It's called the S3, Simple Storage Service. So you see, your backend is doing all this mechanism. In TS4U, in Agile ALM, when you upload a picture, it goes to the storage. When you write some data, it goes to the database. You got it? That's how the backend works. Yeah.